Hi everybody, it's Rob Lindeman from the Hit Lab, and I'm here to do another unboxing for you. This is our Insta360 ONE X. This is a 360 degree camera that we got, and so I'm going to take it through its paces, kind of show you what comes in the box. We've used a number of cameras before, like the Theta V, which we really like, but as with all technology, everything is going to get bigger, cheaper, and faster, so come a little closer if you like. So you can see that it has two cameras, two lenses, has a place to put the battery, to charge it up, and then down here is a place to put the memory card. In addition, we have, oh, this is interesting. This is the battery, looks like. Battery, looks a little bit like a GoPro battery. And then the picture on here kind of shows a rope that you put the camera on and whirl it around. So I think that's going to be something really interesting to try at some point in the future. So that's that bit, and then in addition we have, oh that's good, a little case. So this allows us to protect it. So it's a little neoprene sleeve with a lanyard. It's good, and a little book. Oh, and some stickers. Of course, you have to have stickers in your box. And then we seem to have some connectors for phones. Oh look, oh, they give you 3 different cables. So there's a micro USB, this looks like an iPhone cable, and a nice USB-C cable. So that's really good. And then the other one says computer, so this must be some sort of computer cable, USB. Yep, so this is USB on one end and connector on the other one. So there's a connector on the side here that allows you to connect. So that's our latest. We got Rob's second rule of research is to get 2 of everything. So we got 2 of these, and one of them is now down in Antarctica with one of the students who's down there doing some 360 filming. So that's what we have today. More cool tech. It's a really nice high resolution 5.7K 360 video, so we're really looking forward to it. Spatialized audio and everything, and removable card and battery, which is really nice. Those the Theta V didn't have those, for example, so it's going to be really nice to be able to hot swap batteries, or at least swap batteries and memory. So okay, thanks so much. Come join us.